Morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. I'm in San Diego at the stadium, and Wheeler Dealer Cable Show is here today filming. You can see all their camera stuff, and they put their cameras on one of my buddy's cars, and he is out there now, and I'll get a shot of him coming into the finish. This should be pretty good. Oh, looked like he spun out.
Attention in paddock. We have 5 more minutes to hang out, chill out, relax.
And I think he's that brown
Enjoy
dot
your
right in the
lunch.
middle there. And oh no, here he is. Never mind. Here he comes.
Attention in the paddock. Attention in the paddock. Attention in the paddock. What's going to happen right now, in about 5 minutes after lunch, is we're going to split into
That's the camera car
odd-numbered
today.
cars and even-numbered cars. If you are even, you will run first. If you are odd, you will work first. We'll make a call in just a few minutes. Keep your ears
Lots of
peeled.
smiles on that lady's face. She just got a thrill ride. One of these guys is the star of the Wheeler Dealer show. Maybe if somebody knows, they can put it down in the comments. Anyway, just a quickie for you today from San Diego. The weather's been really terrible. High 60s, partly sunny. Just kidding, haha. We have had some rain here in the past few weeks, but today is good. Anyway, see you later. Froggy out. Bye. I'm leaving the event right now, and this is what you usually see at least one of at a BMW event. I've owned a few of them, so it's not like I'm dissing BMW or anything, but they break. Okay? Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Click on the bell if you want notifications. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye.